how you can make $500 to $1,000 net profit, sustainable income with TikTok affiliate marketing using faceless channels in 2024. Now, as you know, TikTok is really huge social media platform. Why? Because as you know, it's all about the attention. Now, when it comes to attention, you need to also have something else to make the sale on ClickBank or other affiliate networks. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how this is done. Let's get into it. As you can see over here, I'm in my TikTok account, analytics, and you can see over here, right, when I'm posting, we had in the last 28 days, I will click again so you can see. In the last 28 days, I had almost 700,000 views. So imagine that. You can see 86% increase and net viewers 346,000. Now, if I go back to the last 60 days, you see 1 million views, right? Now imagine, this is all traffic, free traffic that's coming from the eyeballs, from the right targeted audience of people. So you can also build these kind of things if you know what you're doing, because you need to have the right leads. We call it buyers leads, people who have the intention to buy the products that you are about to promote, right? So all this matters. You can see over here, right? In the last 7 days, 112,000 views. Free traffic, organic traffic with TikTok, right? So you can have TikTok shop or you can be TikTok affiliate promoting ClickBank products, of course, because you can earn up to 90% commissions. Now let's go straight to ClickBank. As you can see over here, you have different categories, right? Now, of course, when it comes to niches, the most profitable ones are wealth, financial space, then we have health and wellness, weight loss, and dating and relationships. So those are three evergreen, huge niches. Now, when it comes to those niches, you do also know there are also subcategories and sub-niches, hobby niches, smaller niches like golf niche, I don't know, like about pets, about animals, about woodworking. So you have many different niches you can go into, and you can see you can make over $100 on ClickBank, $138 or more in affiliate commissions. Now just imagine, if you can only get one sale, if you see yourself making only one sale a day, you're making over $138 a day. That, my friend, it's for you. More than $3,000, $4,000 and more per month profit for you with TikTok affiliate marketing, right? Now you can see, because TikTok is becoming the new Amazon, right? If you went 5-7 years ago, right, and started with Facebook ads, for example, or I don't know, YouTube or something like that, you would be able to make a lot of money, right? Because there was no regulations, there was no rules about weight loss, what you can say, the claims you can make about weight loss, diabetes, and niches like that, right? Same thing is with TikTok right now. In 2024 going to 2025, it's a huge money maker. It's a huge opportunity for you to make a lot of money, right? But of course, we are talking about sustainable income that you can make very, very fast. Now let me show you how this works. Before I go into it, you can reach me out on my Instagram later. So here is my Instagram. You can find more about me. You can follow me. You can connect with me. You can ask me any questions you want regards to affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products online. Okay, so let's go straight here. Let me show you how this works. The first thing you have to understand, right, is that when you're building landing pages on ClickFunnels or a website or a blog, you have to understand it all comes down to understanding 5 levels of audience awareness levels. Now we have unaware people who don't know about your product, they don't know they have a problem, and they don't know they need a solution. All right, so 80% of people are on this stage over here. Now the job of us as an affiliate is to move them into the problem state, so they know, aha, I have a problem, and then with the copy on our landing page, we move them into the solution state where they say, okay, I want to buy your product now because I know it can help me lose weight, I don't know, or get dating, better dates, better results, right? So this is how it works with ClickBank affiliate marketing, right? So most aware are people who are buyers. This is buyers traffic. Those are people who have the highest 110% buyers intent, right? So as you can see over here, people don't buy when they are in a problem state, they buy when they're in solution state. So you don't have to compete. If you're worried about competing, if you're doing the opposite of what everyone else is doing, you don't have to worry. Why? Because you can see most people go over solution aware people, only 5% of them, but competition is very huge, it's 80%. So if you're smart, and I know you are, you would go, once you know how to do this, after problem unaware audiences, right? Competition is very low and audience size is 70%. It's very high, right? But because most affiliates don't know how to do it, and again, it's not your fault because no one ever taught you or show you step by step how to do it, that's why you were not making any money. Otherwise, you could be making 1 to 10 sales a day, from $50 to $200 in commissions for each sale, right? So let me show you how this works, right? We capture them in the information seeking stage when they're looking for the information, and then we put them into the problem state using functional questions with different quiz funnels, right? And that's easy and simple to do it once you can see the bigger picture, once you have someone who can help you and hand holding you along the way, right? So this is the system that we are doing. Now let's make the math. Let's say that you're spending money on TikTok ads, or you want to do organic, up to you. But you see, if you spend daily $50 a day, and let's say you're paying $1 per click, it means you're getting 50 people to click on your landing page, on your website, and let's say we have around 5% conversion rate on the front end, you will be earning a profit of $250 US per day. Now what you could do with extra $250, or here, $650 per day in profit, what you could do, right? Maybe it's not a lot for some of you watching this video, but it's also the money that can be yours, that you're missing out, that you're leaving on the table, but not doing anything and procrastinating, right? So you have always two ways. One option is you can do it all yourself. You can waste time watching different YouTube videos, trying to learn it for free all yourself, making mistakes, trial and error, right? Or you can get personal support of someone who can help you and once for all finally show you exactly how things are done. Step by step, so you can actually have sustainable income. I'm not talking about guru shit of millions of dollars per month. No, I'm talking about $10,000 to $30,000 per month in sustainable income, where you can work 30 minutes to 1 hour a day, checking campaigns, setting up those faceless channel videos that are very important to capture the right audience attention. Okay, so here's the whole funnel. You can see, let's say the product is $408. The whole funnel, right? It's $408. You can make in commissions $367 on ClickBank. So it means if everyone buy the upsells, most people, they are afraid to spend money on ads because they don't understand the math, how it works with affiliate marketing. It means if there are enough upsells, upsell take rate is really high, you can make a lot of money. As you can see over here, $367 from one customer, one sale only, who buy the entire funnel above. Okay, so you can see with one sale you can make $367 in a day, in one day, right? So the actions you take now will determine where you are in 30 days. In 30 days you can be in the same spot, go back to this video, or you can be someone who is making and becoming professional affiliate, making $10,000 to $30,000 every single month, having your first week of $2,000 to $3,000 in a week in 7 to 6 days, right? So entirely up to you. So as you watch this video, you can subscribe to this channel, you can watch others, or you can just connect with me one-on-one. So you have my Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and email. Okay, so my personal contact number over here. You can WhatsApp me, if you're serious, if you want to get results with affiliate marketing, with Facebook ads, or in this case, with TikTok affiliate marketing, promoting ClickBank products online without ever having, if you don't want to, showing your face. So again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to connect with me.